It's just insane. Look at all that snow. Oh, it's just everywhere. I almost didn't make it home last night. Look at how deep it is on our porch. Good luck scraping your car off. All right, I'm ready to go outside. Got my snow pants on. Kind of pretty outside. I'm gonna blow away. My eyes are watering and the tears are like freezing on my face. Oh. Oh. I can't go any further. Oh. I'm in the snow. How's it going, guys? It's pretty freaking cold right now. Should probably keep going. Oh. Okay. We're moving and grooving.